Right, so this is 5 Minute CAD. It's a little quick interactive game for students, any industry visitors, or anyone that you may have in. It's just a quick little CAD game that allows you to get faster at knowing where the functions are. A lot of students will pick up new keyboard shortcuts because it's just all about getting faster at your workflow on CAD. So it's based on those terrible videos that you see on Facebook of those 5 minute crafts. So the idea is that by the end of those 5 minutes, you've designed a CAD model that's probably just as bad as those videos. So the way it works is the student, teacher, whoever it is, picks a number, and that number will correspond to a random object that you then, as the title suggests, you have just 5 minutes to CAD design. By the end of that 5 minutes, you'll look at all the different screens and all the different models, and you can pick a winner. And then obviously the prize, or whether there is a prize or not, is entirely up to you. So, Andrew Hewitt, do you want to pick a number for us, please?
Ooh, I think I'll go for number 8, please.
Right, so what's behind door number 8? It is a bridge. So we've now got 5 minutes to jump onto Fusion and create a bridge. So I'll share my screen first since it's already
I was
on.
going first, mate.
You can go first if you want. I was thinking of.
I want
Right,
to go first because you can't see me fumble around when it starts getting difficult.
See, this is where I think you cheat towards the end and go on GrabCAD and download something.
Not acceptable. By the way, just as an introduction, I'm Dan Howard and I work at Liverpool Life Sciences. So I'll go first. We've got Ben on the call. Ben, where are you?
Hi. Barclay Green, UTC. Ben Williams.
Barclay Green. We've got our judge today, who is Andy Hewitt.
Andy, subject lead of DT at Aston Uni, UTC.
And we've got everyone's favourite CAD expert, now famous, Andy Plevin, right? You guys can see that. Okay, who's on timer?
I'll do it for you.
Yeah? So I think a couple of minutes with me and then a couple of minutes with Ben. So if you give me a shout when 2 minutes is over, I'll stop sharing and then Ben can share in and then Andy, you can finish off, okay? Right, I've started. Yeah. I've started already. Oh no. Do you know what my favourite bridge is? No?
Piece of wood, plank.
It's actually the Humber Bridge. So I'm going to go for a little bit of a suspension bridge, I guess. Just doing it by lines at the moment. It's going to be quite painful.
It's really hard to think how you're going to do something within 5 minutes that's actually going to look like a finished bridge.
Yeah, I'm not sure mine is going to look like a finished bridge. I'll try hard, right? More bothered about obviously the other thing is that all bridges are about 50 millimeters wide. I'll put that out there now. If anyone's got some actual dimensions.
Why am I forgetting where everything is?
What do you mean? You forgot where all the buttons are?
Yeah, it's under the pressure.
I think I can do this. I think I'm going to win today.
Definitely not.
Oh no, this is not right. I just want it to be really hard. What type of bridge are you going for, Ben?
Suspension bridge, same. I think.
Same. Okay, Andy P, what are you going for? Humpback bridge? Are you?
I think I'm just going for a beam bridge. It just keeps it nice and simple. I'm feeling a bit simple today. I'm a bit worn out.
Worn out?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that doesn't work. What pain. Okay.
Okay, that's 2 minutes. So
really?
time to move on.
It can't be. Right. Okay. No, I'll stop sharing. Right. Ben, take over.
Right. Just show you what I'm doing. So the theory is that, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to do a rectangular pattern to try and create these verticals, but under the time pressure. Not sure if can you see it? My audio's gone right now. I'm assuming you can still see me.
Oh, I can hear you, Ben. Sorry, I'm just
Brill.
concentrating. It's all gone horrendously wrong for me. Oh no!
Oh, I haven't even added safety walls at the side yet.
Oh, safety's for another day, right? I haven't got any further than the last time anyone saw my. Oh my word!
Oh, I think I need more than 5 minutes.
More than 5 minutes, okay.
It does usually turn into 10-minute CAD.
How long are we doing on time, Andy?
We're going to move in 30 seconds.
No.
Last person.
Oh no.
Yikes.
Okay.
Oh,
I deleted that.
I've got to construct a
there we
mid-plane.
go.
Do you reckon you're going to get any wires on yours, Ben, for your suspension bridge? Or is that too much?
No.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to go for it, I think. Oh, yeah. I can do this.
Okay, that's 1 minute left.
No, it can't. Oh, it can't be.
I'll stop sharing.
Andy, you're up, mate.
Oh God. I think I've tried to go a bit too far.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
You can't have done.
So I'm trying to make a little hollow section for this to travel through, because I'm actually trying to add joints to this.
Joints?
Yeah, which I think may go against me, because then the overall design isn't the best.
No, mine's completely fallen apart now. I've gone into the forms environment though, so I think that might have.
That's why I'm on components, bodies.
Forms, oh no. I've just got a silly pipe now. My pipe's too big. Oh, why did I do this? Label diameter, let's change that. There we go. Okay.
That's time.
No. Oh, my form failed.
I've moved my hand off the mouse.
My form's failed to compute. Honestly, it looked really good. Andy, so are you going to judge the amazing what we've managed to create? So
are we allowed to talk through our models to try and win them over?
No.
Right.
Oh.
Is that
I think I've just about managed what I was aiming for in 5 minutes.
Okay, so that's Andy's beam bridge, right?
But if you look,
yeah, I can see that.
Why does it not seem to load? And suddenly the joint's not working. But I did have the joint so that it slid through in and out of that section.
Oh, that's cool.
See if it works now. No, it just doesn't seem to want to work. It was working before, you just have to take my word for it.
Yeah, I trust you. I trust you.
Do you want to go next, Ben, and show, and then you can all laugh at what I've finished.
Stop sharing.
Yeah, why not?
Really hard though, right?
Right. So, can you see it?
That's
yeah.
nice.
Thing of beauty. that is special.
So the way, just trying to think of a way of doing it in 5 minutes. I started with a overcomplicated sketch, and decided I couldn't. Oh, where is it? Decided I didn't have time to select all these little areas, so I just did one half, and then projected that into 3D, and then did a sketch on plane, so looking this way, and then did a extruded cut through that way, and then finally finished with a mirror. So no textures, but a result.
Yeah, no, cool.
That's really good, actually. Yeah, I wish I hadn't chosen the same type of bridge as you know. I'll show you what I managed, and
I'll stop sharing quickly.
So here we go.
Can I just add before you start, Dan? I've realised why the joint wouldn't work. I was literally just about to add joint limits, and because I didn't have chance to, they were set at 0, so it wouldn't let me move them. But I had added those joints.
I'll show you mine. Mine's laughable. So mine went wrong quite dramatically at the start. I started off with a H shape sketch, and I extruded it, and then I cut into it, and then I missed the top of the beam, top of the bridge there, and this is what I ended up with. I was going to put a set of suspensions on there, and I started to go into the forms environment and tried to pipe across here, and it fell apart, and my computer said that it failed to compute the pipe that I made. So I think I've had this problem here where I don't know, Andy, you're an expert, right? Or Andy and Andy, I think I've got some kind of issue here where they actually don't come together.
Those look like they're not touching, yeah.
Yeah.
So my pipe failed. I panicked. I went for bust and went into the forms environment, and it backfired. So there you go.
The curve at the top as well looks a bit too tight, so it probably is like intersecting itself.
Look, I thought it was very good.
It was a good bunk bed. I mean, bridge.
So Andy, you've got a really difficult task this week. So we'll run this each half term, right? And we'll share this around a few people who I don't mind being embarrassed in front of. And
I wish I could have taken part. My laptop's in with IT at the moment, so that's a shame. Yeah, I mean, there's got to be. It's only one clear winner in my mind. It's got to be Ben.
Oh, thank you very much.
Very good.
What do I win?
What do you win? all of the Autodesk kudos that's available. I think what we'll do. Well, I'm not sure you have one yet, Ben. So what we'll do is we'll leave this open on YouTube, and if we want to let the kids have a go in lessons, then they can have a go as well, and they can share a public link to their video, and then maybe what we'll do. At the end of half term, we'll have a look and see who's done the best shot at it. So yeah, you're top of the order, and then maybe we'll get somebody to judge it at the end of it.
What might be nice. Sorry. What might be nice us doing between now and next time we do this is if we do run this with our kids, is to maybe get them to send us some screenshots.
Yeah.
Perhaps we could sort of collate a PowerPoint just to show how it's gone.